Stop right there. Before you spend $200,000 on the wrong Barndominium shape, you need to watch this entire video. I'm about to reveal which of the 15 most popular Barndominium designs will save you $30,000 to $80,000 and which ones will drain your budget without you even realizing it. The shape you choose makes a bigger difference to your final cost than almost anything else. And most builders won't tell you this because they make more money on complicated designs. Stick with me until the end because I'm ranking all 15 shapes from most expensive to absolute cheapest, and the #1 cheapest option will genuinely shock you. But before we dive in, if you're serious about building a Barndominium in 2026 and want honest, no-nonsense information that'll actually save you money, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications. I post deep research breakdowns every week that could save you tens of thousands of dollars. Now, let's get into it. Why shape matters more than you think. Here's something most people don't realize. The shape of your Barndominium affects your cost per square foot more than your choice of countertops, more than your flooring, and sometimes even more than your location. Why? Because shape determines how much roofing you need, how complex your framing is, how many corners require special flashing, and how much labor time you're paying for. A simple rectangle might cost $95 per square foot, while the exact same square footage in an L shape could hit $125 per square foot. That's a $72,000 difference on a 2,400 square foot home. So yeah, shape matters. The 15 Barndominium shapes ranked by cost. Number 15, the U-shape configuration, most expensive. This is the luxury option. U-shaped Barndominiums create a beautiful private courtyard in the center, perfect for pools and outdoor living. But here's the brutal truth. You're building 3 separate wings with multiple roof valleys, complex corners, and tons of extra perimeter wall. Cost estimate for 2,400 square feet runs $145 to $190 per square foot. Total cost $348,000 to $456,000. This design adds 40 to 60% to your construction cost compared to a simple rectangle. Beautiful? Absolutely. Budget friendly? Not even close. Number 14, the H-shaped design. Similar problems to the U-shape, but even more complex. You've got 2 separate wings connected by a central corridor, which means double the roof complexity, multiple valleys, and challenging HVAC runs. Cost estimate $140 to $185 per square foot, total for 2,400 square feet, runs $336,000 to $444,000. The only reason to choose this is if you need serious separation between living wings for multi-generational living or rental income potential. Number 13, monitor roof style. The monitor roof features a raised center section with clear-story windows running along the ridge. It looks stunning and floods your interior with natural light. But that raised section requires custom framing and adds significant labor cost. Cost estimate $130 to $170 per square foot. For 2,400 square feet, expect $312,000 to $408,000. The extra natural light and ceiling height are amazing, but you're paying a 25 to 35% premium for that distinctive look. Number 12, the T-shape layout. Better than U or H shapes, but still complicated. The T-shape works great for separating private and public spaces, with bedrooms in one wing and living areas in the main section. However, you're still dealing with multiple roof valleys and complex corners. Cost estimate $125 to $160 per square foot. Total for 2,400 square feet is $300,000 to $384,000. Good for functionality, rough on the budget. Number 11, the L-shaped design. Now we're getting into more reasonable territory. L-shapes are popular because they create a natural courtyard or patio area while still being more cost-effective than U or H configurations. You're looking at one major roof valley instead of multiple. Cost estimate $115 to $150 per square foot. For 2,400 square feet, expect $276,000 to $360,000. This adds about 15 to 25% to your cost compared to a rectangle, but the functional benefits might justify it for your needs. Number 10, gambrel roof traditional barn style. The iconic barn shape with that distinctive curved roofline. Gambrel roofs maximize usable upper floor space and look authentically rustic. The downside is the complex framing required for those dual-slope roof sections. Cost estimate $110 to $145 per square foot. Total for 2,400 square feet runs $264,000 to $348,000. If you want maximum storage or a genuine loft area, this delivers, but you'll pay for the complexity. Number 9. Hip roof configuration. All 4 sides of the roof slope down to the walls, instead of just 2. This creates excellent weather resistance and a distinctive look, but requires more roofing material and complex corner framing. Cost estimate $105 to $140 per square foot. For 2,400 square feet, that's $252,000 to $336,000. The extra durability in high wind areas might justify the cost, but it's not budget focused. Number 8. 2-story rectangular. Going vertical instead of horizontal saves on foundation and roofing costs since you're building up instead of out. However, you're adding staircase costs, more complex HVAC, and second-floor structural requirements. Cost estimate $100 to $135 per square foot. Total for 2,400 square feet is $240,000 to $324,000. Good option if you have a small lot or want to maximize a compact footprint. Number 7. Salt box style. This features an asymmetrical roofline with one side extending much lower than the other. It's charming and historically inspired but requires custom framing. Cost estimate $98 to $130 per square foot. For 2,400 square feet, expect $235,200 to $312,000. Great curb appeal, moderate cost premium. Number 6. A-frame metal building. The classic A-frame uses the roof as the walls, creating a distinctive triangular profile. Less common for barndominiums, but increasingly popular. Simple framing, but challenging interior layout due to sloped walls. Cost estimate $92 to $125 per square foot. Total for 2,400 square feet runs $220,800 to $300,000. Unique? Look at a moderate price point. Number 5. Standard gable roof rectangle with covered porches. Now we're entering the smart budget zone. This is a simple rectangle with a traditional peaked gable roof, but with porches added for extra living space. Porches cost only $20 to $30 per square foot versus $100 to $120 for finished interiors, so you're adding usable space cheaply. Cost estimate $88 to $120 per square foot for the main structure. For 2,400 square feet, expect $211,200 to $288,000. Adding a 400 square foot porch only adds $8,000 to $12,000, but feels like major extra space. Number 4. Single-story rectangular with standard gable roof. This is where serious cost efficiency begins. A clean rectangle with a simple 2-slope gable roof. No valleys, no complex corners, minimal waste, fast construction. This is the builder's dream and your wallet's best friend. Cost estimate $85 to $115 per square foot. For 2,400 square feet, you're looking at $204,000 to $276,000. You're saving $40,000 to $80,000 compared to complex shapes while getting the same square footage. Number 3. Shed roof single slope design. Ultra modern and incredibly simple. The roof slopes in one direction, creating a contemporary look while being the easiest roof style to frame and cover. Perfect for modern minimalist designs. Cost estimate $80 to $110 per square foot. Total for 2,400 square feet is $192,000 to $264,000. The simplicity translates directly to cost savings, and you can add dramatic high windows on the tall wall. Number 2. Basic Quonset hut arch style. Now we're talking serious savings. The Quonset hut uses curved corrugated metal forming a semicircle arch. No traditional framing, no trusses, no valleys, no complexity. The panels bolt together and the structure is self-supporting. Cost estimate $65 to $95 per square foot turnkey. For 2,400 square feet, you're looking at $156,000 to $228,000. That's potentially $100,000 to $200,000 less than complex shapes. The curved walls create design challenges, but the cost savings are absolutely massive. You can erect the shell in days, not weeks. Number 1, the absolute cheapest, simple square or rectangle, single-story, single-slope shed roof. Here's your winner, a perfect square or basic rectangle, single-story, with the absolute simplest roof, a single-slope shed roof. Why is this cheaper than even the Quonset? Because squares and rectangles with simple shed roofs require the least materials, least labor, fastest construction, and create zero waste. Every measurement is simple, every cut is straight, every corner is 90 degrees. Cost estimate $70 to $100 per square foot for quality finishes. For 2,400 square feet, you're looking at $168,000 to $240,000 for a complete turnkey build. But here's the real magic. You can build a smaller version, say 1,500 square feet, for $105,000 to $150,000 and still have a fully functional, modern, comfortable home. The real numbers break down. Let me give you a concrete example. 2 identical 2,400 square foot barndominiums. Same finishes, same location, same everything except shape. Barndominium A is a U-shaped design with monitor roof. Final cost $385,000 at $160 per square foot. Barndominium B is a simple rectangle with shed roof. Final cost $216,000 at $90 per square foot. That's a $169,000 difference for the exact same amount of living space. Think about what you could do with an extra $169,000. That's a fully equipped shop, solar panels, a pool, premium appliances, and still money left over. The hidden costs of complex shapes. Here's what contractors don't tell you. Complex shapes cost more in ways beyond just initial construction. More roof valleys mean more potential leak points and higher maintenance. More corners mean more places for weather infiltration. Complex HVAC runs mean higher energy bills forever. Irregular shapes mean wasted space that you're paying to heat and cool but can't really use. More perimeter wall means more exterior maintenance over the building's lifetime. Simple shapes just work better and cost less in every way. What about resale value? Here's an honest truth. In rural areas where barndominiums are accepted, simple shapes often sell faster than complex ones. Why? Because buyers can envision their own layout more easily in a simple rectangle than in a custom U-shape. Plus, simpler shapes mean lower insurance costs, easier maintenance, and broader appeal. Unless you're in a luxury market where unique architecture demands a premium, simple shapes protect your resale value better. The 2026 cost factors. Material costs have stabilized in 2026, down 4 to 8% from 2025 peaks. However, labor shortages continue driving up construction time costs. This makes simple shapes even more valuable because they require less skilled labor time. Steel prices are holding steady, which benefits both traditional barndominium shapes and Quonset designs. The bottom line in 2026 is that simple shapes give you the best bang for your buck, and that trend is getting stronger, not weaker. Which shape should you actually choose? Here's my honest recommendation. If you're on any kind of budget constraint, go with the top 5 cheapest shapes, numbers 1 through 5 on my list. These give you 90% of the livability at 50 to 70% of the cost of complex designs. If you absolutely must have the courtyard or multi-wing layout, understand you're making a lifestyle choice that will cost you $80,000 to $150,000 extra. Make that choice consciously, not by accident. For most families building their first barndominium in 2026, I recommend a simple rectangle with a gable or shed roof with optional covered porches added for outdoor living space. This gives you maximum interior flexibility, lowest construction cost, fastest build time, and best long-term value. You can always add character with siding choices, window placement, and interior design. The bones of your building should be simple and cost-effective. The barndominium shape you choose will impact your total cost by anywhere from $30,000 on the low end to over $150,000 on the high end for the same square footage. Choose wisely. The fanciest shape isn't always the smartest choice. Sometimes the simplest rectangle gives you the best home at the best price with the fewest headaches. In 2026, with labor costs still elevated and construction timelines still uncertain, simple shapes are smarter than ever. If this breakdown helped you understand barndominium shapes and costs, smash that like button and drop a comment telling me which shape you're planning to build. Are you going simple and cost-effective, or splurging on that U-shaped courtyard design? I want to hear from you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now because I'm dropping more honest barndominium cost breakdowns every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.